friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making curried roasted cauliflower. Before making this video, I preheated the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. For this easy recipe, we need cauliflower. This is 1 head of cauliflower cut into florets, and we need olive oil, curry powder, black pepper, and salt. So I'm going to add olive oil. So use 1 to 2 tablespoons. It's up to you. This is just for flavor. So I'm going to use 2 tablespoons. If you want to reduce the oil, just use 1, or you can just leave it out altogether. And next I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of curry powder. One-4 teaspoon of black pepper. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt. If you're watching your salt intake, just feel free to reduce salt. The seasonings are totally up to you. So this is 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And now toss it until everything is coated evenly. And now once you mix the cauliflower with oil and seasonings, let's put it on a baking sheet, and I lined it with parchment paper for easy cleaning. And now let's put it in the oven and bake it. Now the cauliflower has been baking for 30 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's ready. It looks amazing. Look at this curried cauliflower. It's fully cooked, tender, so nice and spiced and healthy and delicious. You'll love it. And now let me remove the cauliflower into a plate. Perfect. Look at this cauliflower. Looks so good. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. So it's super tender, pierces easily with a fork. It's so delicious. I love curried cauliflower. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!